Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Charge the WH1000XM4 to at least 50% so you avoid interruptions, then press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to power on. Once powered, make your phone discoverable in Bluetooth settings. This is how the headphones and phone exchange profiles. You do this now because leaving battery low can interrupt firmware updates, and immediate pairing reduces frustration. Make sure the headphones show the voice prompt Bluetooth pairing before moving on. Once paired, open the Sony Headphones Connect app to unlock noise-canceling controls, adaptive sound, and firmware updates. The app explains settings visually and why they matter for sound. You tap the WH1000XM4 entry in Bluetooth paired devices, then follow on-screen prompts to install firmware and set your preferred EQ profile. Make sure to allow permissions the app requests, because location/Bluetooth access enables precise device detection and adaptive. To finish, learn daily controls. Press the NC/ambient button to switch noise-canceling modes, and use the right ear cup touch controls for play, skip, and volume adjustments. This makes operation fast and intuitive. Once done, verify multi-point or call quality in a quick test call so you know how it behaves. If pairing fails or sound is unstable, reset the headphones by holding power and NC for 7 seconds. This clears Bluetooth caches and often resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.